Here's my iPhone charger cords. So I'm going to go ahead and take them out of the package. We'll take a look at them. Hold on. Alright, here we go. Data sync and high-speed charging. Premium charger cable. This is for the iPhone. Apple certified. There's some information right there if you care to read it. Alright. Let's pull this thing out and let's see what we got. Now I don't need to undo this right away, but one set is going to be for work and the other set is just a backup, just in case something happens. So there you go, that one fell out, put it back in, and there's that. Put that up here. There you go, there's my charger cables. Okay, one for work and the other one's a backup. That's it. Hope you enjoyed it. If you didn't, well, I'll try to do better next time. This is just how it is. I got more fan videos to come soon. If you don't like this video, wait till I release a fan video. The Fan Man and out. Thanks for watching.